Hello everyone, welcome back to the TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video of TechLog, I will be showing you how to make a Discord server from the mobile phone of Discord app. Now you go to the Discord and get logged into the account first. Now once you're logged in, you will need to tap on the three horizontal lines on top right. This process depends on where you are currently on your phone screen. So once you're at this page, what you need to do over here is you need to tap on the plus icon at the very end of the server. Tap that. There you need to tap on create my own. Tap on it. You need to choose whether you want to create a server up for your club or community or for your friend or for yourself. I'm gonna go and tap on me and my friend option. This will be a private server. So here will be the server name. You need to type in a server name. There is already one provided, so if you want to change it, you can type in a different server name over here as well. Once the server name is done, you will need to provide a profile picture. There's the upload option. You tap on the plus icon. You tap on photos and select a photos that you want to have on your profile. You select and adjust the photo, then tap on tick mark on the top left. Once that is done, you need to tap on create server. Tap that. Now once you have created your server, you can add people over here. There's the server link for yourself. You can share this link to your different social media platform and add friend from there. You can do it. I'm just gonna skip this process on top and then tap on done. Now you can invite your friend. That's the final process. This is a way how you can create a server on your phone. It's a very simple process. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.